Welcome to the Dave Show. My name is Dave, and today I'm here to talk about this portable space heater. Now, this is a ceramic type heater, which is going to be very nice and quiet, and it actually oscillates and moves around. But the company did send me this product for review, and they wanted me to show you what it is and how it works. So let's take a closer look at this small space heater. Okay, in the box, it's very simple. You're going to get an instruction manual, and you're going to get a remote control because you can control this from across the room, which is very nice. And you're going to get the unit itself. As you can see, it's not very big, but it is definitely big enough and powerful enough because this is a 1500 watt heater, which means it's going to get hot. So let's take a look at some of the features and functions of this heater. Looking at the control panel, you have a power button, turns it on and off. You have a mode button, which changes the modes from the low temperature, which is like 950 watts, to the high temperature, which is 1500 watts, to economy mode, and you can actually change the temperatures with that. And then you have a clock. You can set it from 0 to 12 hours. You have a rotate button, and then a plus and minus to change the temperatures of it. So if I go ahead and turn this on, and if I hit the rotate button, you can see that it rotates. It'll go a certain degrees out and then stop and then turn and go back the other direction. So you got that there. Now the LED panel is here in the front. You can't see that, so I'm going to show you that on a different camera angle, and we'll take a look at that next. Okay, I turned the studio lights down a little bit so you can see it because there's a LED here at the front. This indicator shows that it is plugged in and ready to go. If I hit the power button, it's going to register the temperature in the room, which is kind of warm here in my office, in my studio. It's in Fahrenheit. That's the regular fan indicator there. Now if I hit the different modes, you can see it goes to low mode, high mode, or econo mode. Now once it's in econo mode, you can hit the plus and minus buttons. There you go. If you hold it, sorry, press it down and hold it, it'll go and change. So you can actually change it to whatever it is you want. So it's kind of a smart mode on the temperature there. And then the clock, this is the clock mode. Every time you hit the clock, it'll change the time up to 12 hours. And when you go to power off, it actually gives it a few seconds to power down. Now I turned it on the high mode. I have a temperature gun here that we're going to see how the temperature is on it. Now it's going up pretty fast. If you can see, I've got 190, then it goes to 100, 200 degrees. It's getting warmer. Let's give it some more time here to heat up. Now also you notice that this does not turn red. It's not a heat coil kind of thing that turns red. This is the ceramic type heater, so there's no redness, but it's on. It's hot. I could feel it. And then of course my temperature gun shows it's fluctuating quite a bit. It's pretty hot in there. 200 something degrees, so you can see it gets pretty hot. You want to be careful with it. That's the highest setting that there is. And for the remote control, you've got your power, your mode, your oscillating, your timer, and your up and down for temperatures. So pretty much the same thing as the top of the unit, all in a remote control. Very nice and handy to have. So there you have it, a quick little look at the ceramic space heater. It does put out the heat, it rotates, it's got the econo mode on it. You can set it to whatever temperature you want. Very nice heater. It works exactly the way it's supposed to. If you're looking for a nice little small space heater, this one may be the right one for you.